You searched how to buy shares of HSBC Holdings. HSBC is a global banking and financial services group listed on LSE PLC with the ticker HSBA.L. This video is educational only and does not provide financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type HSBA.L to find the listing. Select the matching HSBC Holdings result to open the asset page. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the page shows HSBC Holdings and the HSBA.L ticker before proceeding. Click Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy and set any order options. Then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, you will see the position in your portfolio. Check the video description for the eToro link to the platform.